Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to safely connect and disconnect car battery cables. This is a basic skill that every car owner should know, and it's pretty easy once you know the steps. Before we get started, it's important to remember some safety tips. Always make sure the car is turned off and in park before disconnecting or connecting the battery cables. This will prevent electrical shock and potential damage to your car's electrical system. Identifying the terminals. The first step is to identify the positive and negative terminals of your battery. The positive terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. The negative terminal is marked with a minus sign. Connecting the cables. Attach the positive cable to the positive terminal of the battery. Make sure the connection is secure and free of corrosion. Attach the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Again, ensure a secure connection. Disconnecting the cables. Always disconnect the negative cable first to prevent electrical feedback. Once the negative cable is disconnected, remove the positive cable.